Hello guys, my name is Jebbidan, and today I will show you how to make a batch file that detects administrator authority. So here I have the example right here, computer sleep. What this batch file do is send my computer to sleep, but it needs administrator privileges. So if I run this without right clicking and run as administrator, this will happen. As you can see here, it says access denied this batch file. Run this batch file in administrator mode. So how this work? Okay, how does this work? How does all of this work? It's easy, by the way. So if we inspect the code right here, we will see how it works. Okay, so net session means that you are going to make some kind of a command. So this is the error level. Yeah, it was pretty much easy to do batch files. So this is the advanced mode. This is the code that will tells that will detects administrator privileges. So I will give you the link to the code. The download link for the code will be in the description below. Make sure you download it by checking the description. So what you're gonna do is that basically you paste the code right in here. Now this is the code that I want. This is the code that needs administrator privileges. So if we just run this on CMD, see, this command requires administrator privileges and must be executed from an elevated command prompt. So yeah, this will be your message. Right here will be your message. So what this means is that basically if error level 0, this means that the user itself give the batch file an administrator privileges. If they didn't, then this will appear. So if we run this with administrator privileges, see, now I'm not going to do that right now. It will send my computer to sleep. So that is it for now. This is how you create a batch file that detect administrator authority or administrator privileges. If you like this video, please subscribe, like and comment. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Goodbye.